To make Plarn, all you need is 3 simple things: a ruler, some scissors, and plastic bags. And I'm going to start by straightening out the plastic bag. Once you have it all straightened out and flattened out, you're going to want to fold it in half, and then in half again. You want to keep the handles and the top at one end and the bottom at the other. You're going to start by cutting off the handles. I'll set that aside. You can use it for other things, or you can recycle it the way you would recycle extra bags anyway. You're also going to want to cut off the sealed end. You can set that aside too. These ends are great for stuffing stuffed animals or cat toys because it already has that crinkly, enticing sound. So there are other purposes for those. All right, on to this. Now that you have it laid out, we're going to simply cut it into 1-inch strips, which is where the ruler comes in. I like to work with my inches closer to the bag, so I'll line it up. I just kind of draw a line with my scissors and then cut it there. And then you keep repeating it until you're done. If this is all taking a little too long for you, there is a faster way, a way I prefer. If you have a self-healing mat and rolling fabric cutter, you can simply line up the bag on one of the inch lines, and then you just roll over it with the cutter. Finish this other one I started. Okay. Now you simply take all of your cut pieces, which actually when you unfold them are rings. It's a complete circle. You take one of those and you attach it to the next. So, in order to do that, just put it through the ring and then pull one end that you put through the other end. Pull it tight, and you just keep on repeating. Keep on going until you have a long line, and then you can start rolling it into a skein. And there you have Plarn.